Hey guys, we're gonna have some taste testers with Naked. Tish is on a diet, like I said before, so I got her 3 different smoothies. I got her kale, got her mango, and a strawberry banana. So she's gonna be taste testing all of these. So let's see how this goes. This one is kale.
Makes total sense. What you have
Oh
is
my god.
integrity retained. And that's
Just drink it.
the shape of the ancient landscape. When you put a new building in it, is demolished building. And that's why I love this house.
This rural retreat was built for British couple Neil and Shirley, and they used an appropriately 21st century method to build a very
Tastes orange, like
modern home.
orange.
It's kind of an internet house.
I think it tastes like pickle juice.
It's not really that bad.
Okay, drink it all.
I'm trying to eat.
Since it's not that bad.
Don't want to eat. Can I eat first?
Now we have
My favorite. Mango.
mango.
They made everything out of it. They made the bed.
You like mango?
bedside table.
You gotta savor it when you drink it.
I like it very much for use in the bathroom. It's so easy.
That's
to
good.
Stiff brush, damp cloth,
Only
Strawberry banana.
one room deep. So every single room.
This is the kind wherever you drink it, you gotta like kiss somebody with your soft strawberry lips.
Kiss me, babe.
And mostly we want it to be very, very simple.